Time to open up the Mazda engine, the RX-8 engine, the 13B MSP Renesas engine, the brap brap engine. First we remove the tranny. The tranny. After the tranny, your boy got made, taking every single cord and ting off of the engine, you know what I'm saying? The cords, the electrical things, the exhaust system, everything off. Yeah, let's listen to some banging music while we're at it, yeah.
Watch me pop my collar, them girl holler. Them man hit me for the sauce on top. I got what they need, doors open. Now I navigate through like cause I can. I weren't made to be less than great. Avant-garde, I don't know no grain. Come like pops, they just know my pace. Come out your ends a civilian, not your average low hillian. Pass me the mic, it's a silly one. Never on killy, don't crud, but I'm killer like good. Don't touch road, but a bit of me does. Going on major, the little league club. So I draw for the bass, no back, make it run. Ho, can't catch me when I run.
Mazda 13B. Guys, let's now remove the clutch and see the state of it. Yes. I think we need a bigger top. Okay guys, I bought a big ding dong for the flywheel. Do you see me guys? Okay guys, I bought a big ding dong for the flywheel and I needed an extension for it as well, so I feel on my little machine. Yes, sir! 1 HP, you know, HP stands for high power, high performance. Thank you. Who's hating on Ryobi right now, guys? Okay. Guys, I think I'm gonna just try the old school method. No flywheel puller needed, just a good old hammer. Somewhere here without damaging the gears. Okay. Ready? Okay, guys. This is what we call old school. My granddad and his granddad's granddad. Guys, should I get a lightweight flywheel? Answer in the comments below. Should Babster get a lightweight flywheel or not? Yes, her. Guys, I don't know about you, but I think I might need a new clutch. Okay guys, now we need an engine stand. I only have this engine stand for normal engines, which does not work for rotary engines. We'll have to make one from this scrap metal right here. And then this. You like, guys? You like? Thank you. Guys, since this is such a big surface area and I will only be able to weld around it, thinking about drilling some holes to be able to kind of spot weld in some places. Maybe I'll do 2 and 2 or to add extra strength. I don't know if it's needed, but I mean, why not? Look at this beauty. Guys, it's time for the engine. Engine ripper. Guys, it's time for disassembling the engine. It's ready. Let's do it. Yo, I'm back. The boys starting screwing everything loose on the engine. Getting everything ready for the disassembling of the sandwiches, you know what I'm saying? Oi fam, bring back that shitty drill song.
So I pop my collar. Pop out the collar, then run this dance. I'm on that everyday good tip dog. Not into celebrating, but go on. Bang off my chest cause I'm feeling good. Mr. Mate beats and the flow so hood. Ask a bang.
Man's thought he had already removed all the oil in it. But look at this here, right here, man. Yep. Fucking hell, bruh. What the hell are you doing? Can't get much worse than this, though. Or can it?
But he's a fucking idiot, you know?
Cut. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, bro, you look like a fucking mutt right now, bro. But yeah, only way to go is keep going forward, you know, up and away, you know, like Buzz Lightyear, you know. Alright guys, let's keep going. Brixton bully, battle bully, man will do the hoodie. You know what I'm saying? Bring it back.
Yeah, look, making that bread that hard though. Young G shit for that cargo. I get high when I'm at the top. I might climb Kilimanjaro. When I pull up and clear up shop, I need to breathe like ASAP Rock. Tell them man that I'm just like time. Why?
Is something growing inside my 13 babe?
Tell them man keep it moving. I can feel their eyes, they're watching me on the ball, praying that I lose it. I can feel their fury, another joke cause I'm the champ like Usyk. Just know that I do this, I'ma bring walk when I hear this music. I'ma knock his lights out. What's the fuss with the hype out? Why your face look creased when you're looking at me? Blood you get ironed out. Man's outside, we don't need no hideout. Who you wanna see? Come fuck around and then find out. It's crazy when he flexed his gun. I think he needs God, I'ma bless this one. The power just got to his head. Mess like K when he deaded his son. 10 toes and run. See when I get him, he's dead, it's done. Now man's living a nightmare. The spirits I'm a level and one. Yeah, click, clack, bang. I don't need weapons, I'm good with my hands. Mismatch, bang. No bullseyes.
Guys,
First time opening a rotary engine and I'm having a hard time not being excited, you know what I'm saying? But let's go, keep going with it, you know, as an Asian.
Man, if he goes hard, then I'ma go harder. Man, I'm my son, show you who's the father. Yeah. Hole in one on the course, go to the pub and hit an daughter. Yeah. I'ma knock his lights out. What's the fuss with the hype out? Why your face look creased when you look?
Okay guys, what does the first look inside tell us? Well, a lot of carbon build-up. This means it was probably smoking and combusting a little bit too much of the motor oil. But in other aspects, it's not too bad. My nail does not catch on anything too much here. No, it does not catch. So this is pretty smooth. Housing seems smooth also. So you might be able to, yeah, I mean, not too bad. It could live for a couple of more kilometers. Now, however, the rotor, I don't know what you think, but it looks quite carbonated to me. And I'm not talking about SodaStream. Nope. Not talking about SodaStream. It looks like it's been smoking.
Looking at me, blood, you get ironed out. Man's outside, we don't need no hideout. Who you wanna see? Come fuck around and then find out.
Well, hello, my friends. I might have lost a little tiny piece of the apex seal. Can you say apex seal? Help me find it. Oh no, where is it? Oh! I found it. Thank you my friends and fans. Could not have done it without you. Okay guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you. Next up, I think I need to do some cleaning. Next we need to clean each of the parts pretty well. I mean, the rotors need a lot of cleaning. I hope I can reuse them. I'm gonna try to just remove all of this carbon. Yeah, cleaning and order. Yeah, and I need to order some new stuff. New apex seals, new water seals, definitely. I mean, yeah. Are you excited, guys? It might take a while for it to arrive, so it might take a while before I can actually rebuild this engine, sadly. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Un poquito, mi corazón, ti amor, mucho. Bye-bye.